How to fix Instagram your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Let's get started. If you see your account has been disabled, you'll need to submit the official appeal form. If it says suspicious activity or challenge required, go through the verification steps. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website. Now in the search box type in disabled account. Navigate to this one article, disabled Instagram account. Now click on the option login issue. Over here, you'll need to provide your Instagram account's credentials, email, phone, or username, and click on Send Login Link. Then you can use that link to log into your account. With this, your problem might be resolved. If this solution didn't work out for you, hit back. Now scroll down. Over here, you're gonna find this option. Was this helpful? Click on No. Select any of the reason. Now here you have to explain about the issue, that you haven't violated any terms and condition of Instagram and still your account has been disabled. You can send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So this is how you can fix your Instagram account has been disabled for violating our terms. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.